Happy Wednesday, everyone. Today is March 2nd, 2022. I hope you're having a wonderful week so far. We have reached hump day, so we're excited about that. The market I want to speak about today is the gold market. It's been doing quite a bit of what I've expected it, but I want to look at what's beyond where we're currently at. So if you guys like this video, if you like the content, please like and subscribe below. There's a few buttons. Also, please feel free to share on social media. I would appreciate that. So we're going to jump in, look at the gold futures contracts. While the market is still doing some incredibly wild things based on what's going on in Ukraine, gold has had these recent pops. And these are things I've discussed in my Traders Agency Services, Rapid Wealth Alliance, Small Cap Fortune, Special Report, Pipeline Profits. What we do in these live events is we cover the broader markets along with the specific markets in which we are trading within those unique products. But this has been an area that a lot of our traders are actively trading. They're in the gold market, and if they're not, they have some exposure to it. So they really value the input that they get when it comes to what the market's doing, where it's heading, and what targets or areas of resistance or support that it may be on the horizon. This is valuable information for those of you who have been in the market before, and those of you who are considering getting in the market. You'll find that once you start to build a trade plan, that it's really important to have an understanding of what you're doing and where the price is likely to turn, stall, reverse, accelerate, things of that nature. So what we're looking at here, again, is a daily chart of the gold futures market. And I've told the members of my services this ascending 1940, 1945, 1950 channel top is really has some firm resistance built into it. And you can see that the price has failed to really close above it. It tested it on this wild day, but closed below it, tested it again 2 days ago, tested it again on this session's open, and has fallen from it again. Looking at support, near term, 1905-ish in that ballpark, can certainly contain daily selling, beyond which, we could see price drop to 1880. This is an ascending line, meaning it's rising. So as every day progresses, this will, of course, climb with it. So the reality becomes, if price pulls back, we have plenty of places where we could potentially find support. But if it breaks above, our next target would be, we're looking for what we call a full channel extension. So when we create a channel extension would be that same trajectory and same width, just basically doubled. So we call that a full channel extension or double channel. So looking at that, on this week, it's probably somewhere in the 2070 area. So if things do break bad, which, listen, we know the situation in Ukraine, between Ukraine and Russia, is not pretty. And if the market should get sloppy and that volatility continue to manifest, which it's doing. And guys, understand something. When you look at the broader markets, your biggest up days will occur during a down market. Your biggest down days will occur during an up market. It's just the way a trend works. So if we do get another aggressive sell-off at some point, and it is, entirely possible in the coming days or coming weeks, there's a lot of uncertainty, and that is ultimately what the market hates more than anything else, is that uncertainty. We could see gold pop again, and if we do see it pop again, I'd love to see a daily settlement, preferably a weekly settlement above this teal channel top. And if we get that, it puts this within play in probably about 3 to 5 weeks' time. And that could transpire a little bit quicker depending on how volatile the market gets. It could take a little bit longer if the market, continues to do this push-pull, notion. But the signal would be and verified and be confirmed with preferably a weekly settlement above this ascending teal channel top here, where you can see this arrow is. A close above that would then likely send us on the trajectory of testing this ascending full channel extension, which is currently in the 2070 area. So gold could hold some serious upside from here. I would like to, like all my trades, I would like to wait and see confirmation. That confirmation, of course, is very important. And from a timing perspective, I think it could take, again, up to 3 to 5 weeks for it to transpire once the confirmation has happened. So that's what I have for today. I just wanted to share it with you, give you a little insight to what I'm looking at in the gold market, gold futures market. I hope you're doing well. I hope you're staying well. Again, if you'd like this video, please feel free to like it, subscribe to my YouTube channel, share it on social media. I would greatly appreciate it. If you'd like to learn more about what I do, of course, you can visit my website at anthonyspecial.com. And you can, of course, find me at Traders Agency through my newsletters, through my products and services that I offer with them. It's a wonderful company. We build beautiful things for great informational products and research products, and we're really doing a lot of exciting things. So I'm excited to share all that with you, and there'll be some new products and promos coming up that I'll be sharing as well. So I'm super excited about that too. But with that, guys, I wish you again a beautiful and blessed day, and I will talk to you soon. Take care.